So grade
Hi,
7.
Miss.
Hello. We'll start with lesson 1.9. Today, divide rational numbers. As I told you for rational numbers, you must have a calculator. That's why this lesson not be included in the quiz, but you will do with the calculator now. Okay? And I'll help you out with this. So it's same as division, divide number, what we did divide integers is exactly the same, but you will see the decimal points, you will see the negative numbers, you will see, the fractions, the mixed fractions in this. Like, that 32 divided by -8 is -4. Yes, of course, 32 is also a rational number, but mostly you will see it in, multiplicative inverse. Guys, do you know what is multiplicative inverse? We did this last year with you, multiplicative inverse. When you see a division sign that change into multiplication sign and that flip. You remember I used to say flip, come on. So it's the same here. They have told you in this question, in the example, that like they gave an example. Don't have to write. You just see here how I do it. -3/5. Ghalia, you need to concentrate on in classes more, Ghalia. Okay? 3/5.
Okay,
The question becomes multiplication, and 6/1 flips to 1/6. Actually, there is nothing in the question written. But when there is nothing, that means in the denominator, it has to be 1. So then you flip it and you get 1/6. Now, open this. 5 times 3, 15, plus 3, 18/5. That day she was asking me, Lean, remember Lean? How to open them? You will multiply this 5 times 3, 15, and then you will plus 15 plus 3, you get 18/5 times 1/6. So you get -18 divided by 30. When I simplify them, they come in the table of 6. 6 times 3, 6 times 5. Yes. Even if you want, you can 6 times 1, 6 times 3. Yes, if you want even directly, you can do here 6 times 1, 6 times 3, 18, and you get their answer -3 in the numerator and -5 in the denominator. Okay? Understood this question? Example? Yes. Similar. Let's do this. Please, what's your name? Turn it off. Oh, yeah. Freezing. Now, suppose that the volume of water in the rain barrel decreased by 4, 5, or 8 gallons in 4 minutes. What will be the change in the volume after 1 minute? First of all, let me say what is 4, 5/8. Let me solve. 8 times 5, 40, 45/8. Am I right? Eight times 4, 32, plus 5, 37/8, right? So that you need to divide with 4 minutes, because why am I dividing with 4? Because 1 minute, it's this, the proportion. 1 minute, it is decreased by 4, 5/8. So 4 minutes, how much? So you will divide, yes, you will. First, we are going not to put 4/1. And then we're going to get them divide into multiplication. 1 minute divide. Yes, tell me. 37/8. Yes. And then you will divide. You will divide with 4. Now, why do I divide with 4? I'll say you. In 4 minutes, it is decreased by 4, 5/8. So in 1 minute, how much? What do you do? Divide 4, 5/8 divided by 4. Now, did you get it? Yeah. Now, did you get it? Yes, here, Rital, sorry. What's your name? Rital, did you get it? I was calling you Rital and you didn't even look at me. So I thought she is not Rital. Rital will definitely answer. Maybe I am wrong. Leen, did you understand? See, previously I explained you the proportionality, like 3 Galaxy bars and 3 chocolates. Like so, even Malak and Ghalia, look at this. The question is that the barrel decreased by 4.5/8 gallon every 4 minutes, or you can say in 4 minutes. It decreased 4.5/8 gallon. What will be the change in the volume after 1 minute? For 1 minute, how much? What did I say you? Divide this. Remember? And if you have something, multiply. But here is 1. No need to. 4.5/8 divided by 4. Now did you get it? Open this. 37. Malak. Okay, remember. 4 chocolate boxes have 32 inside. So 1 box will have how much? You will divide them. This is division, remember?
Yes.
4 minutes. 4 minutes. Because when you hear minutes and gallons, you get confused. When you have chocolates, you will understand more because you all love chocolates. So 4 minutes, it's 4.5/8. 1 minute is how much? 4.5/8. I remember I told you question mark, start from there. Do you remember this way I told? When it is question mark, you write that first and then divide it by 4. How do you do this? Open this, Malak. How do you open this, Malak? 8 times 4, 32 plus 5. You get 32 plus 5. 37/8 divided by 4. Change it to multiplication. 1/4. Right? So your answer is 37/32. 37. Don't forget the minus sign. Why did I say minus sign? Because it is no decrease. See, minus y here because decreased. Like suddenly it doesn't come right from the beginning. There is no minus in the question. Why did you put minus? Because of the word decreased. And then, of course, there is 1 minus. So in the answer, there has to be minus. Now, when you divide 37 and 32, you get 1/4/32. Sorry, 5. 1/5/32. This is your answer. Any questions? Malak, am I going fast?
Yes.
Did you understand all this? Come on, write it down.
Yes.
Ghalia got it?
Yeah.
Finished? You must know that I opened.
I'm done, miss.
Please write this somewhere. That 4 minute is 4.5/8. So 1 minute is how much? This box will explain you the whole thing. You divide this. Around 4 minutes is 4/8. So 1 minute is how much? Can I go to next question? Rital, did you write this in the rough work? Come on. Let us quickly do this. Please let me know if I'm fast, okay? Because I have so many questions. Let us start. A 1, 2 over 5 divided by minus 1 over 5. Will you tell me if you open this how much it is? 7 over 5 divided by minus 1 over 5. Just write the numerator, put a multiplication sign and flip it. Any questions? This is 1 and 1. My answer gets minus 7. Malak? Ghalia?
Yes,
I open this. When I open this, I get 7.
yes, miss.
I divide by minus 1 over 5. The division, this division with the pink color, this becomes multiplication. And here this flips. This flips, okay? Number B. Letter B. Minus 0.4 divided by 0.25. How will you do this? Minus 4 over 10 divided by 25 over 100. Come on, flip. Minus 4 over 10. Multiply 100 over 25. Cut. It's remaining minus 40 over 25. If I divide them, one minute. One is 5 times 8, 5 times 5. So 5 times 8 and 5 times 5. I don't have to write a minus sign down there. You mean I need to do all again? Okay. B. Minus 0.4 divided by 0.25. Change into fraction. Huh? You don't remember after point, there is only one number. So 10, decimal changing to fraction. The decimal point changed to fraction. If you, after point, if you see a one number, you just write the number and put 10 down. If there is two numbers, you just write the number and you'll put 2 zeros down because there are two numbers. Remember, we did this before. Yes, Lee? Before the point, I put 0, right? It's already given in the question. Just remove and write whole number and put the zeros. Now, next step, change the multiplication to the division to multiplication and flip. Don't forget, I need to, when I flip, 0 and 0 is cut. What is left? 4 times 10 over 25. So you get minus 40. Yes, both of them come in the table of 5. 5 times 8 and 5 times 5. How do you know that both of them then come in the table? Because 0 and 5. Something which ends with 0 and 5, that means it comes in the timetable of 5. So minus 8 over 5. Let me divide. Your answer is minus 1.6. Okay? Sure. ممكن تاني عشان هذا رياضيات ممكن هي ما في افهم. طيب يلا جو. يلا خلي. Go I said. Go, Ritan. Okay, so minus 1.6, okay? Finished, girls? Okay. Number C. 7 over 8 divided by minus 3 over 4. 7 over 8 divided by minus 3 over 4. How do you do it? Seven over 8 multiplied by 4. Let us do 4 times 1. Let us do this 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 8. So 7 over minus 6. Or even if you want to do that, but again, there will be simplification. 6. So you have minus 1, 1 over 6. Okay? Even if you do that, see, 7 4s are 28, right? Over 8 times 3, 24. So when you do this, you get 1, 4 over 24. You have to simplify. 4 ones are 4, 6. So you'll get the same answer. Anyway, I want to simplify first rather than simplifying at the last. But you can choose anywhere. Okay? Number D. Malak, Ghalia. Why both of you not participating?
Yeah, miss.
Why, Ghalia, you're not participating? What happened to you? Are you upset?
Miss, I'm listening.
You're listening, okay.
No.
Did you finish C?
Yeah.
Let me do a D up there. (0.7) divided by minus 1, 1 over 6. 0.7 divided by 8 over 6, right? So 0.7, what can I write, girls? 7 over 10 multiply 6 over 8. Can I simplify? Or do you want me to do it at the last? 2 times 3, 2 times 5. 21 by 40. Let us, really, is it that? 21 over 40, point and 0.
Miss, your voice is lagging.
Really? Let me check again. 7 over 10 times plus 6 times, it's 760. Wait a second, there is something wrong. Girls, wait a second. There's something wrong. That's what I was wondering. My answer is going somewhere else. 0.7 divided by 6 times 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. So 0.7, I can write it as 7 over 10. Division become multiplication. So my answer is minus 6 over 10. I can also write as minus 0.6. Did you all finish this? Yes. Now you can. Better, yes, because explanation will explain you. If you just directly write the answer, she will do it. She has to do it in the sticky note or somewhere. Yes, Tirital? Because you left, you did not do this. Come on, I'll wait and you finish it. Good girl. How will you know that? How did you get 0.6? Tell me. This is the steps. These are the steps you have to follow, sweetie. I'm sorry for disturbing you. But you need to. You know that it's for your good. What will you do during your quizzes? Maybe if I include this lesson, I might. I don't know.
Miss,
Because it's not with the calculator. Yes, Ghalia.
here the one is 7/10.
Yes.
What is the one next to 7?
1. It's with 1, right? 7.
1.
When it's same, I just cut it. I don't even write 1. Understood?
So, Miss,
Okay.
we divide it and then we multiply.
See, you
Then we
write 7
simplify.
over 10. You change the division to multiplication and flip this too.
Then we multiply them.
Yes, multiply in the sense, why am I cancelling? Because numerator and denominator, when they have same number, just cancel them. Instead of multiplying 7 and 6, I just cancel this because the numerator and denominator are same number. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Just give me one moment, guys. Please help me. Yalla, come on, Malak.
You're gonna put, we're gonna switch it to multiplication.
I will write -2/3 and then
And then
multiplication becomes
multiply by 1/4.
1/4. Why?
-1/4.
It will change, it will flip. This will flip, yeah, Malak. It will become -4/1. Okay? Is this the same what you told me? This is what you told me? Malak, you told me this, right? -4/1. Now, when you multiply the denominator, both of them, because both are negative, it is 8, positive, and 3. Your answer is 8/3. Now, if you divide them, you get 2/3. 2/3. Any questions? Malak, any questions?
No, Miss.
You multiply the numerator.
No, Miss.
You multiply the denominator. You did simple division to get your answer.
Okay, Miss.
That's what I wrote, 2/3. No. If you do it, I'll erase and do the number G. D. Come on. Malak, if I want to change 0.5 to fraction, what will I write, Malak? I'm so sorry, I forgot C. 1 minute, yeah, Malak. 9/10. Let Ghalia do this. Ghalia? Come on, Ghalia.
Yes, Miss.
Come on. How do you do this? -9/10. And then
We switch. No,
division becomes multiplication and you switch. Tell me, what should I write?
3 times 9 is
No. I see, Ghalia.
Oh, 10,
I
10.
copy 9 over
Yeah.
10. I put division.
90 over 30. Miss 90 over 30.
1 minute, 1 minute. Leave. Even if you make it 90 over 30, because positive sign, the 0 can cancel, right?
Yeah.
You have 9 over 3. 3 times
Yeah.
1. Or simple, you just cut 10 or 10 and you get 9 over 3.
Yeah.
I wrote here 10 over 3. Flip it. 3 times 3. My answer is 3. Any questions here? Because 9
No.
divided by 3 is 3. Did you understand, Ghalia, now? That the division, you will copy
Yeah.
it as multiplication and you flip after that. You will not
We
flip
always
9 over 10. Why
so
didn't you know this?
we flip it only like the wait. Miss the one in the right.
Yes.
We flip it
Yes, after the
and we
division.
change the division to multiplication.
Yes. See, Vatin, best ways, I said, if you see same thing in the numerator and denominator, and you have if you have a multiplication sign, see the board, you cut them 1 and 1, right? What is left? 9 over 3. What is 9 divided by 3? 3. Understood now? That's it, girls. Have a great day. I'm so sorry for being so fast, but I have to.
Okay, miss. It's okay.
Bye-bye.